Okay. So today we are talking about banking. This is our next topic. Can somebody tell me what is a checking account? Triton.
A checking account is an account
With checks?
with checks.
Hmm.
And you can use that account to pay for things unlike a savings account.
Ooh, very nice. Okay, so this is an account with a bank. That you put your money into. It's your money, not money you're borrowing. You can easily take money out or deposit money. So this is an account with your bank that you put your money into. You can easily take money out or deposit money. What does the word deposit mean when it is talking about this? Banking. Yeah?
To like put money into.
Right, so you can either withdraw money, which is taking money out, or you can put money in by depositing. When you put money in, you use something called a deposit slip. We're going to go down here. Just so people can write it, just in case they're a little behind. Deposit slip is a piece of paper you fill out and give to your bank when you deposit money. There's lots of ways to get money into your bank account. Sometimes it's an automatic kind of thing, where it's automatically taken from your paycheck and put into your bank account. But sometimes you actually have checks or cash that you want to put into a bank account. Yeah. And then a check is kind of like a IOU that you give to somebody. Or a business. They can deposit it, and money is taken out of your account. So today, we're going to have a really short lesson that, even though we only have like 10, 12 minutes left of class, I think you'll be able to get it done in class today. I'm going to make you stay with your partner. I'm going to do one example, and then you're going to do one example with your partner, and then you can split up if you want. Nope, this is your partner. By the way, this class is for all of those adults out there who are like, oh, well, they never teach you anything about money in school. Okay, so anytime you hear somebody say, kids these days can't even write checks. Ha. We're going to be doing taxes, so.
You hear more than that.
Yes. Yep, I've heard that. But I think I hear taxes more. Taxes seem to be a big issue that people are upset about. Did you get it, folks? I made, the one that has the information on one piece of paper and the one that you're filling out on the other paper. Okay, so I'm going to do, number 1 and number 9 with you. Well, maybe something else, let's see. I'll do, maybe I'll do number 11 with you and number 1. Okay, so we're going to start on the blank check side, and we're going to use the information from number 1 to fill out this check. Now, this will normally, your checks are made out, they have your name on them. And when I say your name, I don't mean the words your name, I mean your actual name. If you're married, it could have your spouse's name too. If you have a guardian, their name probably won't be on your checks. It'll be your own name, unless they are the sole person in charge of the account. Up here, what this is called is a check number. That is a reference to, like, if somebody wants to say, hey, what check did you write? And then you can say to your company, it was check 1002. They also have something like a, I think, is it called a proforma? What's that paper called underneath with that gives you a copy of your check?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
Just call it a duplicate.
A duplicate. So normally what you do is when you've got checks, you can get them without or with. But the nice thing is like it's like a ink kind of paper. And when you write a check, then it imprints onto the thing below it so that when you tear out the check, you have a copy of the check as well. So that way you can keep track of exactly what you did. You can also keep track of it in the back of your checking book, which we will go through and how to do that. Or you can check it online. Down here, this one, I believe the one on the left is your banking account.
No,
No, that's the bank?
that's the routing number on the left.
Okay.
The farthest number to the 9-digit number to the left is your routing number, and then the rest is your account.
Okay. So this one is the routing number. And that means that that is your, the bank, basically. It's like a reference to where this check needs to go back to. Why do you think they would have that number if they also have the name of the bank right there? Yeah?
Because there's probably multiple Maplewood banks.
Right. Or like if you had something like Wells Fargo or even something like Ultra Credit Union, they have multiple locations. This one right here, this is identifying information of yours. This is like your bank account number, and then also usually the check number. Okay. For the date, we'll just put today's date. Today is 16? Pay to the order of, that is who you're writing your check out to. So in this case, if you look at number 1, we're writing it to Robert's Department Store. It is important that you write this in a clear way that other people can read. Some people prefer to write checks in cursive. You can decide that for yourself as long as it is legible. On this line, you write out in words how much money this check is for. So this one is for $38.75. So in words,